Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. This is currently going up quite strongly, and yesterday I made my MATIC update and gave you the view here that we can, with a high likelihood actually, at least assume that this here is a 5-wave move to the upside. So basically from the low, which was actually perfect, it hit perfectly here that 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. I mean, we missed it by like a cent. Down here, that's the 88.7% Fib level. It started to move up in a 5-wave move, then retraced down as expected here in this wave 2 target area, and is now currently shooting up. So the question is, could this already be here the end of this wave 2? Touched the target area and is shooting up now. Now we'll get to that in a minute. So that worked out, touched the target area and moved up. But let's take a look actually at the daily chart first, because MATIC is one of the coins which was, in my opinion, really hard to forecast all the way along. But remember, we took back then, that was back in November, December, we took some profits up here. I think at that spike. And then at some point in January, I gave you my primary target area here between 30 and 60 cents. Of course, I was laughed at when we were above $2, but this has worked out in the end, and we came perfectly into this area. And if you think, what on earth is this area? Well, it is the area between the 88.7% and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, and I can just show you that again. And this is this one here that you can see on the chart, 88.7, 78.6. The price is, well, actually 32 cents. 32 cents is the 88.7% Fib level, and the 78.6 is 60.5 cents. And this is so important because this is the area in such a correction where you would normally expect an altcoin to get into, like MATIC. Okay, it seemed obviously unrealistic, and what made it even more difficult to forecast that on the MATIC chart was because MATIC was one of the latest coins that actually came down. You know, a lot of other coins started their correction earlier. I mean, look at Cardano, started back in September. Bitcoin started end of November, MATIC didn't start until the end of December with its correction, really. Well, actually, based on the technical analysis, you can see that the correction already started in May. Why? Because this was a wave 1, an impulsive wave up. It then came down in a wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, which is also a corrective wave, and then came down in a C. So this ABC is actually, all of this is a corrective wave pattern. So basically that wave B failed really to make a significant higher high. We've seen a bearish divergence on the chart. It then came down. So all of this ABC is part of a correction of a wave 2. So we had a wave 1 here, the impulse, and the wave 2 is the correction. That is 2 fractals based on the Elliott Wave method. And the wave 2 of such a higher wave degree normally for altcoins gets sort of into this region here, the 78.6 and the 88.7. And we can just zoom in now again. Let's take a look at where we actually turned around here. Based on, because I probably wasn't very accurate in the previous times, but here that 32 cent level is where it turned around. It peaked, it came down, moved up now in an impulsive wave up. So wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up. The wave 3 up we can count obviously again also as a 5-wave move in itself. Then came down here in a wave 4, moved up in a wave 5. So we then came down here into this target area, and that could have been the wave 2 already. But I'm not convinced yet of the wave count. I have to be very honest with you. I'm missing the 3-wave structure of this. This currently doesn't really look like it for me, that this is a completed wave 2. So therefore I'm skeptical about this pump up. Unless we broke the wave A here, which is important. I told you that. This will be resistance, and we're currently finding resistance exactly here. What I would want to see for a pump to the upside, and I told you yesterday that this will pump. If this is the wave 2, then the wave 3 will pump. And I think we see that. But to pump now, we need price confirmation above that resistance level. We need that price confirmation. And how would that look like? It would look like, not like now, because now we get rejected at the moment, or we try to push through. But what we want to see is that the price is pushing above this level, coming down, retesting that previous resistance level of 46 cents as support, and then we can go up. Target for me would be that 56 cent level. Yeah, that is main target. First target might be this wave 2 high at 54 cents, 54 and then 56. You can also call this an inverse head and shoulders. We talked about that yesterday, but we need to push through this resistance level. That is sort of the confirmation we need. I'm skeptical because this wave 2 doesn't look like a corrective wave. It doesn't look like an A, B, C. So I'm a bit skeptical about that. This would mean this here, what is coming up here, is a wave 3. But if this is a wave 3, which is currently coming up here after the wave 2, it really needs to pump. It needs to get to the 62 cent level, yeah, from how it is looking now. So from that point of view, you know, a possible trade setup here is to trade the breakout above that level, yeah? And that would be, in my opinion, only after a successful retest and then go up. Yeah, I wouldn't touch this before. So I want to have a retest. I want to have this confirmed. We see volume, which is healthy, yeah. And then, yeah, you know, this could, in a move up, be a 1, 2. This could be the, you know, the start of it. So let me just add that. So this would be the bullish scenario, yeah, that we now move up in a wave 3, which would be normally the longest wave up, yeah. And of that wave 3, potentially we have here on the lower time scale already a wave 1, 2, you know, this might be the 3, then the 4, then the 5. And again, we need to see how far that extends up. But from that time frame point of view and that wave structure, wave degree point of view, the wave 3 in red should actually reach at least that 62 cent level. That means for a good indication that this indeed is a wave 3 and it was not just a fake out here to the upside, we would want to see the price establish above 46 cents, retest, and then go up. Alternatively, if we cannot push through that level, we will go down into this target area again. And if we do that, in my opinion, we will go even lower than the wave, what I have labeled here as the wave 2, because then we could see this just as a wave A, this would be a B, and the wave C would then be coming down deeper into this target area, which is located at 37 to 40 cents. So if we do this, and we're currently pumping actually, so let's see if this is establishing above that. You will know more when you watch the video. And again, targets 54 to 56 cents. If it fails here, yeah, then it will come down again into this area and it will be below that 39 cent level in my opinion. But hopefully finding support in this yellow area between 37 and 40 cents. So it's currently how I see this. I'm uploading it quickly now because it is just starting to pump. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.